We're here in Westfield with Jan at 66 Flynn Meadow Road. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this is your local look. You're gonna show us around this place, right? This is a great neighborhood. I'm loving it. So let's take a look inside.
All right.
You can tell us about it.
Come on in.
Oh, wow, Jan, we walk in this door to this huge open area. I love it.
It's the best place for entertaining. The kitchen includes a large pantry, ample counter space, wine chiller, breakfast bar, and so much more.
We're going around the corner. We've got the garage here on our left. And at the end of the hall, we have a half bath.
That's where the laundry's located.
I love it. A large walk-in closet. And I think this is your favorite part of the house, Jan. Tell us about this bathroom.
I love this shower with dual shower heads in the ensuite bathroom.
Jan, this is a beautiful one. I just love this neighborhood. The house is sitting right here on the cul-de-sac.
There's a security system by Arlo and SimpliSafe included with an abundance of features.
Back through this great room here, we have 2 more bedrooms and a full bath. We have a large basement.
It's insulated, it's ready to go, plumbed for a full bathroom, and roughed in for a central vacuum system.
If you want to see this house, if you want a private showing, hit Jan up. Her information's up on the screen. If you're looking for financing options, we've got awesome ones here for you. Hit me up. I'm happy to help. Thanks for having us, Westfield. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this has been your local look.